Hello, I want to introduce myself. My name is Varda Morel, and unfortunately, I'm not getting to meet you yet, but I wanted to just send you a short video explaining the work that I've sent so far and that I just uploaded for next week. So, hopefully, if you have any questions or anything that you don't understand, it will be clearer to you now. Okay, so the first thing you do is go into your Moodle. Mine will look a little different than yours because I'm the teacher, the marza, so you might see things that you don't see on your Moodle. But you go into Moodle, and in the Luach Hoda'ot is where I can send you important messages that you get then to your email if I want to give you any important updates. Um, Now, here you have the first lesson, which was last week. I gave you 3 assignments. Each assignment was supposed to take about an hour and a half, tishim dakot, okay? Because usually we're supposed to have a meeting of 3 hours in school and then another online lesson that's another hour and a half lesson. So I tried to make it similar to what would be happening in school. The first assignment was an easier unseen with questions. The second was about skills, parts of speech. And the third assignment was the text from the book, את הטקסט מהספר שאנחנו נלמד בו, and the open questions from the text, which is what we're going to be focusing on. בעיקרון בשיעור אנחנו נתמקד על השאלות הפתוחות, כי כך יהיה לכם גם במבחן הסופי בסוף המחצית. SOFA semester. In order, each assignment is considered nochachut, attendance. So if you did an assignment, you got 100%. Tuesday, I will upload the answers to all 3 assignments. So if you didn't hand in the assignment by Tuesday, when I upload the answers, you'll get a 0 for nochachut. So anyone who has still not done these assignments should do them and hand them in, and then I will give you 100 for nochachut. Okay, here is some explanation about the parts of speech. If you didn't understand things, you can go into that about parts of speech. And then I added a forum. On the forum, you can ask questions about the assignment, things that you didn't understand, and you can answer each other and help each other out. And I'll also go into the forum and look if there are any questions or things that I can help you with. Okay, tomorrow, the next assignment is here. I only gave you 2 assignments, okay? One of them is the text from the book with questions, and the second one is markers of addition, Tosefet. All right, so the first assignment, if you go into it, you'll see that I gave you, the assignment is a Google Doc, okay? So you can highlight it and then do Aver El, and it will open up. And here's the Google Doc, and it's a text with questions afterwards. Now you can do 2 things. You can either just answer these questions on a separate Word document and then upload it to the Moodle as your assignment, or you can go into File, make a copy, and then when you make a copy of it, you'll have something that says copy of multitasking assignment. And on this copy, you can write on it. Okay, it's a Google Doc that you can write on. And then go into share and do copy link. Okay, you'll have a link here. And then you can paste this link into your assignment. Or, like I said, you can upload a Word document. So you can decide if you want to make a copy, fill in the answers, and upload your doc to the assignment, or write your answers on a Word doc and upload to the assignment. Okay, and again, everyone who does it will get full points. And if you have any questions, so also for the second assignment, I have a a forum where you can ask questions for the second lesson. And the second assignment is about markers of addition, meaning in addition, moreover, milot kishur, shekshurim letosefet. Okay, and again, here you have optional, reshut, lo chova, practice that you can do to practice the assignment. So you can click on here, and then it will take you to a site where it has explanation, practice, and you can do all kinds of nice things here to practice with the with the connectors. Okay, you don't have to do that, but you can do that if you want. And here's the assignment for the connectors, and it's similar to the last assignment. And it's a Word document, and you can do like you did last time, either download it and answer on the page, or you can write your answers on a separate Word doc, or some people wrote it in pen and took a picture, and then they uploaded it. Whatever you want, you can do. Okay, and again, as long as you do this, you will get 100 for nochachut, and it will be as if you were in the lesson. And again, I have here another forum for the second lesson. If you have any questions about either of these two assignments, ask them here, go into it, and help each other out and answer their questions, and I will also try to answer your questions. So I hope that this is helpful to you, and if you have any other questions, you can email me or ask them in the forum. Good luck, and I'm looking forward to hopefully meeting you in person sometime soon.